Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Video. So in today's video we're going to do some burning. I got my propane torch and I got my my trash out here that I need to burn up. So we're going to get to work on doing that. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. Enjoy the next clip. All right, everybody, so I don't normally like to burn. If I could, I would just throw all this away. But I prioritize my trash service trash that can't really be burned up. Metals, aerosols, diapers, stuff like that. I try to compost what I can, but we had a lot of leftover cardboard that we couldn't use in our garden. And then I had a bunch of plastic bags from the topsoil and the mulch. So I'm gonna throw all that away, or burn all that up. So it just kind of stockpiles on you every once in a while. Every few months you'll have to burn if you can. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm gonna keep on burning. I'm gonna have to feed it some more branches and stuff that I've trimmed, and I just kind of throw them in the woods as fuel to burn up the rest of this plastic and cardboard. And once that's done, I'm gonna let it burn down. All right, everybody, that's about going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed the burning and you want to check out other stuff that we're doing on the property, make sure to subscribe. If you have questions about today's video, drop them in the comment section. Go check out some of the other content and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate everybody. Bigfoot out.